When emergencies take place in the transit system, a need to safely evacuate customers from subway trains is necessary. This video will cover the various types of passenger evacuations that occur on our trains and show the proper procedures used to safely evacuate our customers. New York City transit policy defines an emergency as a sudden unforeseen incident requiring immediate remedial action by New York City transit forces. Some examples of these unforeseen incidents are a fire, an explosion, a flooding condition, a loss of power, derailment, collision, passenger injury or fatality, and even terrorism. We will cover the following types of evacuations during this video: train to roadbed, train to train, and train to the bench wall. We will also show you the important safety procedures used during these types of evacuations to prevent injury to our customers and our employees. The type of evacuation we will cover first is removing our customers to the roadbed. This is accomplished by using an emergency evacuation device, or EED. Remember that the third rail power must be off before bringing customers to the roadbed. Be sure to follow the proper procedures for removing power prior to this evacuation. The train crew attaches the EED to the train car and secures it at the base. The cab door is opened and secured above the device. Volunteers are selected to assist with the evacuation and positioned in the proper staging areas. The evacuation can now begin, making sure passengers are properly assisted as they exit the car and move down to the roadbed. The type of evacuation we will cover next is removing our customers to another train. This is accomplished by using the EED as a bridge between two subway cars. Open the car side doors on both trains and make sure they are secured. This may vary depending on the subway car class. However, the procedure for using the EED is the same. Place the EED between the subway cars, making sure that both ends have sufficient coverage on the car floor. Select volunteers to assist with the evacuation and positioned in the proper staging areas. Begin the evacuation, making sure that the passengers are assisted as they move from one train to the other. The last type of evacuation we will cover is removing our customers to the bench wall and exiting to the street. This is accomplished by exiting the car to the bench wall through the pre-selected door. Open the proper car side door or doors on the bench wall side where the passengers will exit. Select a volunteer to serve as a leader and two others to serve as guards with the evacuation and position them in the proper staging areas. The leader will guide the passengers safely out of the subway car, onto the bench wall, and up the stairway to the exit out of the system. The guards will direct the passengers toward the exit. The train crew will follow at the back of the line to ensure all passengers are evacuated. Begin the evacuation, making sure that the passengers are assisted as they move from the train to the bench wall and the stairway exit. Remember, when an emergency occurs, stay calm and keep your passengers calm. Follow the procedures that you have just seen and effectively communicate them to your customers. Work together to bring an emergency situation to a safe and successful ending.